हेलो बीएड फोर्थ सेमेस्टर। आज हम पढ़ेंगे सैडलर कमीशन के बारे में। सैडलर यूनिवर्सिटी कमीशन 1917-19 सैडलर कमीशन की स्थापना क्यों हुई? वाई वॉज एस्टैब्लिश्ड एंड व्हाट इज़ द मेन पॉइंट्स दैट सैडलर कमीशन has taken for improvement in the university. This commission is also called Calcutta Commission या Calcutta University Commission, then Sadler University Commission. Both are the names of the same commission. 1917. In 1917, the government of India has appointed a commission, appointed to study and report on the problem of Calcutta University. The commission was mainly constructed with the express motto to inquire the condition and prospect of the University of Calcutta. What is the question? The question of constructive policy. The commission was appointed under the chairmanship of M.E. Sadler. M.E. Sadler, he was the Vice Chancellor of the university. The Sadler University Commission also included two Indian members. Two Indian members were also taken for the suggestions. The first one is Mr. Ashutosh Mukherjee, and the second one is Ziauddin Ahmed. The Sadler Commission reported on the secondary education because he said, the Sadler Commission said that it's very important if you want to improve the education of university level, it's very important to do improvement in the field of secondary education. So, secondary education need to be improved, as we wanted a standard university education, so we have to do improvement in our secondary education. So the commission has given a lot of suggestions on different points. The commission visited all the university centers, and after 17 months they submitted a report. It was very long and significant report, and it's a comprehensive survey. It's a comprehensive survey. And it tells the educational problem of the secondary colleges, universities. Although it deals with Calcutta University only, but the problem studied is related to all over the India. It's related to all the universities. What are the main recommendations of this commission? First is, it was not possible to bring revolutionary change in the field of higher commission without making changes in secondary education. The first point on which the commission emphasized is to do improvement in secondary education. Therefore, some fundamental changes were suggested at the level of secondary. Then the Sadler Commission refocus on the courses of secondary level. Intermediate examinations should be done. Okay. Then that of matriculation, and the government should create a new type of institution called intermediate colleges, because इसके पहले जो भी पढ़ाई होती थी, जो भी कॉलेजेस थे, ठीक है, उसमें मैट्रिक को ही एलिजिबल में, आफ्टर मैट्रिक आप किसी भी डिग्री या कॉम्पिटिशन में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते थे डिग्री लेवल पे। तो यहाँ पर उन्होंने कहा कि इंटरमीडिएट कॉलेजेस खोले जाने चाहिए और इन इंस्टीट्यूशन में उस लेवल की पढ़ाई होनी चाहिए जिससे कि बच्चा आगे जाकर यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल पे कुछ अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट कर सके और यूनिवर्सिटी का जो स्टैंडर्ड है वो बना रहे। तो क्या किया गया? द करिकुलम ऑफ दीज इंटरमीडिएट कॉलेजेस शुड कॉन्स्टिट्यूट कोर्स रिलेटेड टू आर्ट, साइंस, इंजीनियरिंग, इंडस्ट्रियल एंड एजुकेशन. After clearing the intermediate examination, rather than the matriculation examination, the student would have to be entitled to enter in the university. Means the 12th जो class आया, after that only, after passing intermediate exam, only then the student will be able to get admission in university. The duration of the degree course after the intermediate stage should be limited to 3 years. For these two different branches was made in intermediate colleges, and for the eligible student the provision of honors degree. For the general student there was a provision of pass course. Like आप आज भी देखते हैं BA pass course भी होता है, ठीक है, and BA honors भी होता है, BCom honors भी होता है, simple BCom भी होता है. तो ये जो डिफ्रेंशिएशन आया वो सैडलर कमीशन ने 1917 में ही रिकमेंड किया था. देन द बोर्ड ऑफ द सेकेंडरी एंड इंटरमीडिएट एजुकेशन कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ गवर्नमेंट, यूनिवर्सिटी, हाई स्कूल एंड इंटरमीडिएट कॉलेज भी established and entrusted with the administration and control of the secondary education. Then the commission was recommended less rigidly in framing the rules and regulation of the university. The rules and regulation of the university is decided only by the university, and the commission needs said that it should be flexible at some states. It also recommended the establishment of the inter-university board for coordinating the activities of different Indian universities. An autonomous institute, the institute which wanted to come into the field of education, autonomous institutions were to be given more encouragement. These are the recommendations. This question can be asked in your exams because Sadler Commission is also important, and the main recommendation is also asked in your exams. The next one is centralized residential teaching universities, ठीक है, where the student can be live, ठीक है. There is a hostel facilities in the universities so that they can do their studies and do proper focus on their studies. These institutions will also be to be given autonomy to facilitate their day-to-day working. Then the next, more focus on women education. At that time, women education is not so much encouraged by the government. The Sadler Commission has decided to encourage women education in a big way, and the establishment of a special board of women education in Calcutta University besides many other facilities. The women education is also in its recommendations. Then provisions of the facilities was to be made for training teachers, and the Department of Education at the University of Calcutta and Decca. It also recommended centralized unitary teaching to autonomous bodies. Further, the next recommendation that the Sadler Commission has done is to emphasize on the growth of the colleges in the town also. In small areas, it's also important to encourage the establishment of schools and colleges. It encouraged the growth of the university centers so that the higher education could be propagated properly. These are the recommendations, and what are the impact after this recommendation? What are the impact that will be done on this by this commission? The first is it led to increase the number of universities. Due to the suggestions of Sadler University Commission, the number of new universities were opened. This new university was opened where in Patna, Aligarh, Decca, Lucknow, Delhi, Agra, Nagpur. ठीक है, means lots of university were established and the number increased up to 30 within 1930. It also led starting the teaching work by the university. It's not only increase in number teaching work, but also it had started in different universities, and the worth mentioning that the functions of the first three universities established in Bombay, the name was Calcutta, Bombay and Madras. Teaching was a function of degree colleges and there was no provision for postgraduate education. But after the recommendations of the number of teaching university, the residential university, these both are increased. Most of the newly residential universities also have taken places after this recommendations. Then internal administration is also increased. It can be also seen by the Sadler Commission that internal administration of the university should be improved. So university code, executive counseling, executive council, and the construction of new curriculum, construction of examination, it greatly helped in academic standard of the university. It increased the academic standard of the university as suggested by the University Commission, Sadler University Commission. In 1925, it also be in coordination. Okay, it also coordinate with different Indian university. The Sadler Commission also have a provision facility for the student welfare. For the first time, it was the first time that the attention of the universities were directed toward the students' welfare. A board of students' welfare was formed where the student can do many things, and the teachers or university, this commission, take care of their needs and improvement of the education. तो दैट्स ऑल फॉर द सैडलर कमीशन. इन जो सैडलर कमीशन थी, इसने बहुत सारे क्षेत्र में अपने प्रयास किए, से चाहे वो क्षेत्र महिला एजुकेशन का हो, चाहे वो यूनिवर्सिटी के लेवल की जो शिक्षा है उसको बढ़ाने के लिए हो, साथ ही रेजिडेंशियल जो यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं उनका रिकमेंडेशन किया ताकि छात्र वहाँ पर रहकर स्वयं पढ़ सकें और अपने ज्ञान को सीधे फोकस कर सकें. ठीक है, अपनी पढ़ाई पर कंसंट्रेट करें, वहीं पर रहकर पढ़ाई करें जिससे उनका समय भी बचे, साथ ही वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सुविधाओं का लाभ ले सकें. उसके साथ उन्होंने क्या किया कि सैडलर कमीशन ने बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ जो कि उसमें बहुत कम थी, तो कई सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ को इस्टेब्लिश करने के लिए परमिशन दी. सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन के लेवल को बढ़ाने का प्रयास किया. तो ये सारे रिकमेंडेशंस आपको पढ़ने होंगे, क्योंकि आपके एग्ज़ाम में जब भी आएगा कि व्हाट आर द मेन फैक्टर्स, व्हाट आर द मेन recommendation of the Sadler Commission, so you have to write these points. You can make this these points as a heading also. तो आप इसको पढ़कर और उसके बाद आप आराम से इसके बारे में लिख सकते हैं. ईयर ध्यान रखना है, किसने इसकी स्थापना करी, ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है, और इसके रिकमेंडेशंस. फिर व्हाट आर द इम्पैक्ट आफ्टर द रिकमेंडेशन, क्या प्रभाव पड़ा, व्हाट आर द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ सेकेंडरी Sadler University Commission on secondary level and university level. That's all for today.